abandon,
abandon,
التخلي عن.
to leave somebody, especially somebody you are responsible for, with no intention of returning.
Don't abandon me.
don't abandon me. To leave a thing or place, especially because it is impossible or dangerous to stay.
Listen for your captain to announce abandon ship.
Listen for your captain to announce, abandon ship. Abandon something to stop doing something.
So we had to abandon our film crew.
So, we had to abandon our film crew. To stop supporting or helping somebody. To stop believing in something.
They'll abandon their idols. They'll return to Him.
They'll abandon their idols. They'll return to Him. Abandon yourself to something. Literary. To feel an emotion so strongly that you can feel nothing else.
He abandoned himself to despair.
He abandoned himself to despair.